Okay, ladies, we are here on the campus of Penn State Altoona on the baseball field. On the baseball field because there's lacrosse championships happening up on our soccer field. And Rachel here is going to demonstrate some of the simple foot skills that we want you guys to do this summer so you're prepared for soccer season in the fall. So the first thing you're going to do, and you probably already know how to do this, but is a simple toe tap.
1, 2, 3.
She's going to count
4,
it out so you can
5,
see what one
6,
actually is.
7.
You're going to do 20 of
9,
those.
10.
And you're doing 2 circuits of each of these drills that we're talking about. The next one is a bell.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5,
As you work
6,
on it throughout
7,
the summer, pick
8,
up your speed
9,
and pick
10,
up your head.
11,
But
12,
know that
13,
these are
14,
skills that you should
15,
build,
16,
so don't try to do
17,
too much too fast.
18, 19, 20.
Alright, next one is called sticky tape. Alright, you should have a happy foot. Alright, you should always be bouncing on your foot and moving your foot left to right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, and then you'll switch legs, so make sure you do 20 for each foot. That is actually one rep, one cycle.
2, 3, 4.
The next one we're talking about is pull back lace push. So again, happy feet on your resting foot, but you should still stay up on your toe. You're
Make
just
sure
gonna
you're
pull it
locking
back.
your ankle when you make contact. You don't
So
want to over contact, but you still want to have your ankle locked.
And this is work on developing our first touch. So when you receive a ball in on a pass, you kind of have an idea of what it feels like to get just a soft tap forward so it stays within reach. You're going to alternate feet on that one as well. Alright, so the next one is a lateral roll. You're just going to do 3 lateral touches. Stop it with the inside of your foot, and then 3 lateral touches back. That is 1 rep. Alright, so you're going to do 20 of those. Alright, very good.
2.
Okay, the next one we're looking at is called the inside snake or inside elastico. Alright, and your final touch brings you inside. So the first touch actually takes you out, and it should happen with the outside, like pinky toe area of your foot, right where Rachel's Nike swoosh mark is. Alright, and then the second touch happens with the solid instep of your foot. Alright, so Rachel will go ahead and kind of demonstrate.
And it's all in one step, so you're not putting your foot down, it's out, in, and then you accelerate out.
So you want to make sure you take a quick tap with your toe, immediately followed by a tap inside, and the tap inside is where you actually plant your foot and then push off of it to burst out of it. So one more here, Rachel. Alright, you'll do that with both feet. Alright, and you do 20 of those.
So that's inside when you're using your instep to accelerate out, and then outside you're going to start in and then push it out with the outstep and accelerate.
And it's actually the exact same parts of your feet that you use, but just in reverse order. So instep, outstep.
Oh my gosh.
And on this one, you're actually using your plant foot to accelerate.
Again.
Yep. Instep, outstep, and you're pushing off of your back foot. Okay. The last one we have is the Brazilian toe tap. This is a favorite among my U15 Classic team.
1. Is that 1?
Yep.
2. 3.
So 1 full cycle
4.
is 1 rep.
5.
Okay, so part of the reason this is a good drill is particularly for defenders. All right, one of the best skills is to make sure that you stack your feet and you have your knees bent. And if an attacker were to try to cut the ball on the opposite direction, you can always swing that back foot around and try to steal the ball. So it just gets your body used to twisting and turning so we don't have any weird injuries. Okay, so that's the simple foot skills, and there will be another video forthcoming with the complex foot skills.